So how are you feeling being here and living here?
It's amazing. Nepal is a beautiful country with nice people, and everything is just great and friendly here.
So you came here and you have all the local experiences. Have
Yeah.
you done this turning before?
No, this is first time.
This is one of the most traditional way to make butter out of the curd.
Uh-huh.
Here people give buffaloes and this is one of the part of their life.
Uh-huh.